Magtudlo ko sa inyo sa basic brushes, how to use it. Lalo na sa mga baguhan, sa brushes, and sa makeup. Even local products is okay to be beautiful. Okay. Para mawala ng mga airbags ba? Ayan, medyo okay. It's from Pretty Box, rock. I'm a pretty rock. What? So I use today the All Eva Belena. Let's use it. Let's use it. This one, kasi it's pointed. Sige, try natin ha. Kung gigamit kay Matte Fair Oriental. Copy that. Mabilis siya mag-blend compared sa dry. So, mas gusto ko siya binabasa. So, unahin ko muna yung half just to see the difference. So, gusto ko tong brush na to, yung parang tusukon. Medyo, pointed siya. Kasi I'm not having a hard time blending it fresh. While here, haggard. Amazing. Attic Brow Liner. It's an earthy. Hairy there. Shape sana ko kung eyebrows. Pag shape ko kasi, makita mo yung excess dyan. Kasi style ko lang yun ha. Nakita mo to manipis. So we can use this para magmukha siyang natural. Call this an angle brush. Brush is for eyeliner brushes and for kilay brushes. Because it's so nipis, you can, shape it. And it's called an angle brush since naka-angle siya. Shaving time. Kita niyo yung difference ng kilay ko. This is an eyeshadow palette from Eva Belena and it's just 150 pesos. Oh wow! I call it a pencil brush or shader brush kasi yung shape niya. It's the white one. Sa center. Center of reduction. And then this color. Fan lang. Sige. Kita niyo? Yeah. Okay. Kailangan blend talaga siya. Alright. Diba? Siya? HD eyeliner na ngayon ang Eva Belena. Copy that. HD eye pencil. Ganda siya sa camera. Good for selfie. Ganda. Yeah. Put brown pencil sa ilalim. Light siya. Natural siya tingnan. Aning line kung asa gatubay imong lashes. Diha po na nimo i-drawing. Kading gitna sa akong eyeball. Diha lang po ko nag-stop. Eyeball jud. Anyway. Kani. So if you put blush, smile ka lagi. And then, wag ka mag-abot dito sa may ilong. Dito lang, half lang. Para hindi ka magmukha ng clown. Then, go up. Always upwards. Kasi, if you go downwards, face mo, magkaroon ng illusion na magsag. Always go up so that your face looks up. Magsag. Lamig kayo ang brush. Shy. Kunwari, shy siya. Nag-blush siya eh. Joke lang. Bango. Okay? It's a nude color. Yan. If you put lipstick, ayaw diri lang. Kanya diri. Apila po diri. Sa side, sa dula. Yan. Dugtong ba yung lips niya? Pag magtawa ko or mag-smile, makita na i-continuity ba? Sa waterproof mascara, bago to siya, it's an HD. Meron pa akong isa pang two-way cake. I have the darker, so I will use this for contouring. pwede siyang i-contour. So, if you contour, you always start sa tenga. And pwede mo rin isama yung forehead mo. Then, if you want pati yung nose, to have an illusion na tumangos, you can put here. I have one more brush. Pwede siyang pang-retouch. Example, you're oily na. If ever you have the T-zone, the oiliness part, you just dab. Diyan, anak lang. Done! Diba? Haggard versus finished. Okay guys, tapusin ko na yung makeup ko sa kabila para mag-blendot siya. Done! If you want to buy these brushes, you contact Pretty Box PH. So, bago tayo mag-alis, syempre, kailangan humot pa. Ang gusto kong i-try karon kay... Wait lang guys, kay daghan ka ay kong perfume karon. Iba-ibang scent. This is from Chris Jacob. This one. Light blue. DNG. Bango. Bango talaga. I love this. Kahumot. Humot kaayo. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Subscribe na mo kay Crisha.
Kasi nandoon yung full version always. Hi to Kimishin. Hi Aya Pagayanan. Hi Chen Atanesco. Hi Yasmira Barbie Usman. Happy birthday kay Mama Jen Kim. Hi Rain Von. Hello. Happy birthday sa imong mommy. Salamat kaayo guys. Salamat kaayo.